little chefs. Welcome to our kitchen adventure. Let's explore some amazing tools. Meet the spoon. It helps us scoop yummy soup and cereal. What's your favorite to eat with a spoon? Next is the fork. With its prongs, it's perfect for picking up pasta and veggies. Yum! This is a butter knife. It's for spreading butter and soft foods safely. Always with a grown-up. Plates hold our delicious food. They come in many shapes and colors. What's on your plate? Bowls are great for soupy treats and snacks. They keep everything safe inside. Slurp. Cups hold our drinks like water or juice. Stay hydrated, little ones. Cheers! Look, it's a whisk. It helps mix ingredients together, making yummy cakes and scrambled eggs. The spatula flips pancakes and stirs food in a pan. It's super helpful in the kitchen. These are measuring cups. They help us add just the right amount of ingredients for recipes. And these are measuring spoons. For tiny amounts, like spices. Baking is like magic. Big mixing bowls are where all the ingredients come together. Get ready to stir. A rolling pin flattens dough for cookies and pie crusts. It makes baking so fun. Cookie cutters make fun shapes. Stars, hearts, or even animals. What will you make? The grater makes tiny pieces of cheese or carrots. Be careful, always with a grown-up. A peeler removes skin from fruits and veggies. It helps us prepare healthy snacks easily. This is a colander. It helps drain water from pasta and washed vegetables. Super useful. A cutting board protects our counters when we slice food. Always keep it clean. Oven mitts keep hands safe from hot pots and pans. Safety first in the kitchen. An apron keeps our clothes clean from spills and splatters while cooking. Look stylish. A kitchen timer helps us know when food is ready. Ding! Perfect cooking every time. A can opener helps us safely open cans of food. Another great kitchen helper. Tongs are like big fingers. They help pick up food carefully, like salad or grilled items. Wow! We learned about so many amazing kitchen tools today. You're a super kitchen helper. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun. See you next time, little explorers. Bye-bye.